Trading is not complicated. You are making it complicated. And every indicator you add to your chart, every new strategy you layer on top, every new system you try this month is making your results worse, not better. In the next 10 minutes, I am going to show you exactly 5 ways you are overcomplicating trading, and the 3-rule system that removes all of it permanently.
Here is what the data shows. The more frequently a trader trades, and the more complex their system becomes, the worse their performance is. Not the same. Worse. Because complexity is not an edge. Complexity is a way of feeling productive while losing money systematically. The most successful traders in the world use far simpler systems than most beginners. Not because they are lazy, because they understand one thing beginners do not. Your job is not to understand everything. Your job is to execute one edge consistently over a long period of time. That is it.
Way number 1. Too many indicators. You started with one indicator. It gave a signal. You were not sure, so you added another to confirm it. That one also gave a signal, but slightly different. So you added a third to break the tie. Now you have 15 indicators, and they are all saying something different. And you are paralyzed. Here is the truth about indicators. More indicators do not give you more certainty. They give you more reasons to doubt every single trade. The trader with 3 indicators who follows them consistently will always outperform the trader with 15, who cannot agree with themselves on any single entry.
Way number 2, strategy hopping. A strategy does not fail in 2 weeks. You do not have enough trades to judge a strategy in 2 weeks. But when the first losing streak appears, the brain says, "This strategy is broken. Time for a new one." And you start over. And the new strategy has a losing streak too. And you start over again. This is not a strategy problem. This is a discipline problem. No strategy works without consistent execution over a long enough period to give the edge time to express itself. Hopping strategies every 2 weeks means you have never actually tested any of them.
Way number 3, overanalysis.
You have been looking at this chart for 3 hours. You have checked the daily, the 4-hour, the 1-hour, the 15-minute. You have read 2 analyst reports. You have watched 1 YouTube video about this pair. And you still cannot decide. This is not thoroughness. This is analysis paralysis. And analysis paralysis costs money. In 2 ways. You miss valid setups while analyzing. And you take invalid setups out of guilt for spending 3 hours and having nothing to show for it. A valid setup should take 3 minutes to identify, not 3 hours. If it takes 3 hours, it is not a valid setup. Way number 4, too many time frames. Pick 2. Daily for direction, 4-hour for entry. Done. Every time frame you add after that adds confusion, not clarity. Let me tell you about Tom. Tom had been trading for 18 months. 3 monitors, 15 indicators, 4 different strategies running simultaneously, a news feed, 2 analyst subscriptions, and he was losing money every single month. Not because he was not working hard. Because of exactly that. He was working too hard on the wrong things. Tom made one decision. He deleted everything. Every indicator.
Here is the 3-rule system that replaces all the complexity. Rule 1, your entry condition. 1 specific criteria that must be met before you enter any trade. Not 2, not 5, 1. Write it in 1 sentence. If you cannot write it in 1 sentence, it is too complicated. Rule 2, your stop loss rule. Exactly where your stop goes on every single trade. Pre-placed before entry. Never moved. Rule 3, your daily loss limit. The maximum dollar amount you will lose today. When that number is hit, you stop. No exceptions. No just one more trade. Stop. These 3 rules cover every decision you need to make in a session. Entry, exit when wrong, exit when limit is hit. Everything else is noise. And noise is what you have been paying for with your losses. The traders who make the most money are almost always the most boring traders in the room. They do not have the most interesting setups. They do not have the most sophisticated analysis. They have one thing: a simple system executed with extreme consistency over a long period of time. That is the entire secret. There is no secret more complex than that. Drop a comment below. What is the one thing you are going to remove from your trading today? I read every single one. And if this changed how you think, hit subscribe and the bell icon so you never miss a video like this. I will see you in the next one.